Hello friends, welcome. So today that is on November 22, 2022. So I have taken few trades, and so that is I have taken two trades, and the two trades are completely from banking sector. So the first stock that I have taken from State Bank. See, after formation of this 12:30 candle and 12:45 candle. So I thought of taking an entry in State Bank onto the short position. So my entry price was at 598.50 and it got triggered in a 1 o'clock candle, and I have placed my stop loss at high of this candle. So stop loss was at 599.50. So 1 rupee was my stop loss. So here you can see it hit my stop loss. Okay. Yeah. So let's see how the sector has performed. So sector for today was completely in sideways. Okay. Yeah. And the second stock that I have chosen is HDFC Bank. So here you can see HDFC went up, came down, went up. And so after formation of 115 candle and 145 candle, so I thought of going for long position. So these are good bullish candles, right? So putting these two candles in mind, so taking 145 candle as a reference candle, so I thought of going for long position, and I have placed my entry as 1596, and I have placed my stop loss as 1594. Okay, so in 2 o'clock candle, trade got executed, and in 215 candle, it hit my stop loss. So two trades I have taken, two trades hit my stop loss. So yeah, friends, that is all for today. See you in the next video.